こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、I'm going to walk through how to use this easy Japanese news app to really study Japanese step by step. So I'll go ahead and open the app first. Okay, the first thing you do is to pick the difficulties. So today we're going to go with easy, but if you think you go for a bit harder one, you can go for difficult. So with the difficult one, the difficult one is closer to the real Japanese newspaper. Okay, let's go to the easy one. Step 2. Pick the article you want to read. Have a look through whatever you want to read today. And I found a really cute article right here. So, there's a really cute photo of koala on Christmas tree. So, let's read on. So, what I would recommend you to do is to first listen. There's the audio button down the bottom. Listen to the audio. Then you read it out loud, this article. Maybe a sentence by sentence if you want to. For example, the title for this article is 家で飾ったクリスマスツリーにコアラが。So the word that you don't understand, you can if it has underline, you can just click on it and it will tell you the meaning in English. House, residence, dwelling. Okay, 家 means house. I got it. I can close that one. Sometimes there is a word, it doesn't have underline. In that case, you go ahead and look up. You can type in the word that it didn't have dictionary. 飾った。飾った is a past tense star form of 飾る。飾る to decorate. To decorate. 飾る. Okay, for example, I don't know this word, 飾る, and it's not in my vocabulary. And what I will do is straight away go in. I use Quizlet and create 飾る. Oh, create a deck. 飾る. And enter the definition. To decorate. And whatever the information you want to put in, 飾る to decorate. Okay, I got that. So I'll go back. I'll go back to my other screen and keep reading. 家で飾ったクリスマスツリーにコアラが。On the Christmas tree, I decorate. We learned 飾る as to decorate. コアラが。There's a koala on the Christmas tree I put at home. So that is a very cute news article here if you want to keep reading. Sentence by sentence I'll read out. オーストラリアのとあるお宅に飾られたクリスマスツリー。たくさんの華やかなオーナメントの中には可愛らしいコアラのぬいぐるみが。とあるお宅。Okay, for example, if I didn't understand とある, I go ahead and go back to jisho.org. I put とある What does toaru mean? Oh, a certain. Okay, I don't know this word, so I go in. Okay. Toaru. A certain. Oh, it gives you the already a definition there. Toaru. Okay, I've got 2 words in. I'll go back. オーストラリアのとある a certain お宅に飾られた I already know what 飾る is because I've already put it in the Quizlet クリスマスツリーたくさんの Okay, what's たくさん means? A lot. Very good. 華やかな What's 華やか means? 華やか Gorgeous. Okay, it has dictionary, but I don't know this 華やか. So I go ahead, go back. Quizlet. Put in 華やか. Oops. 華やか. Gorgeous. Okay, I got 華やか down. And I'll go back. 華やか. Gorgeous. Showy. Okay. 華やかな. Okay, this is a not adjective. オーナメントの中には可愛らしい. What's 可愛らしい means? Lovely, sweet? It's very similar to 可愛い, so I can remember that. 可愛らしい。可愛らしいコアラのぬいぐるみ。What is ぬいぐるみ? I'll go ahead, go back, look up. What is ぬいぐるみ? Oh, stuffed toys. Okay, so I don't know this word. I'll go ahead. ぬいぐるみ Soft toy. Yes. Oh. Okay. And so on. So you can keep reading on the article just like this. And once you read through and understand the meaning, or not understanding some of the vocabulary in fact. Next step is if you have grammars that you don't understand. Underneath this article, if you click here, these are the grammar points that appears in this article. So you might be able to find the one that is related to that sentence that you don't understand. For example, it's this one. Okay, this is right, passive verb. Okay, right. So there is some explanation of passive verb here, but it's not full explanation. But what you want to understand is, okay, this is passive. Then you can go back to your textbook that you're using and have a look at the passive and revise the passive part and say, remind yourself, what was the passive was used for, and why didn't I not understand this sentence, and so on. And you can go back and read about it. Okay, so basically these are the easy steps to use this one to really increase the vocabularies. If you read one article a day, you will be surprised how much new vocabulary that you gain. And also using Quizlet or any types of flashcard, you will retain that vocabulary that you gained. So this is a very interesting and effective way to gain current news related vocabularies, and because they cover different types of things, like it could be economics, it could be politics, it could be education, and it could be something about koalas like today's. So gives you kind of variety of vocabulary rather than reading through rather than the ones that you learn from textbook. So I do highly recommend you to study using this news app. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough how to study Japanese using a news app. And thank you for watching. またね。じゃあね。